Okay, everyone, I'm getting ready to go to bed. It is 10:35 p.m. It's a school night, Wednesday night. Husband is at the movies with his movie buddies. Walking into the bedroom earlier, about 5 minutes ago, hear noise on my ceiling fan, and it is a bird. Let me show you the bird. I don't know what the bird is now. Ah! Okay, there's a bird. Everybody see the bird flying? Yes, that's the bird in my bedroom. 10:35 in the evening. Everybody see this bird? So I'm pretty sure my kitty cat has carried this bird in her mouth. So this bird is now on my bed. Daddy! Fine.
Got it. Come on. Gotcha. Where'd he go?
He's on the floor.
Oh, there you go.
Did you get him?
No, we got him. Where'd he go?
He's on the floor now.
He ain't on the floor.
Yeah, he is.
Where you at?
DooDah. What, Daddy?
Are you having fun with this thing?
Yeah, it's funny. Put it on America's Funniest
Turn the
Home
fan on.
Video.
Turn the fan on.
What? No, it's
Turn
gonna
the
chop.
fan up.
It's gonna chop him into
It ain't gonna
pieces.
chop him up. Turn the fan up.
Why?
So I can get some air. Damn.
He's gonna chop up into pieces.
Okay, here we go. It ain't gonna chop him. Turn the fan on.
Did you get him?
Shit, no. Where is he?
Oh. Get him this time.
Well, I don't want to drop nothing.
Oh, don't break my angels.
I know. I ain't gonna hurt you, you little. Give me a hand.
Look.
I thought you were doing a pillowcase.
I'm gonna pull